Naghahanap ka ba ng pagbabago sa buhay mo? O may mga pangarap kang gusto mong matupad? Yun nga lang, hindi mo alam kung saan ka magsisimula at kung ano gagawin mo. I want you to watch this video kasi dito sa video na to, may makikita kang great blessing that can change your life for the better. Want something different in your life? Let's get started today. I'm Coach Mon Reyes. I'm one of the business coaches of Live Good here in the Philippines. And I'm here to tell you more about what Live Good is. Okay? Ang question, nasa Live Good ka na ba? Are you already with Live Good? Kasi kung wala pa, ang laki nang nami-miss out mo, ang laking opportunity yung nawawala sa'yo. We're actually looking for people. People na gusto maging healthy. Yun nga lang, sa sobrang mahal ng mga supplement, hindi na lang ginagawa. Or yung mga more into health na, pero gusto nilang makatipid. Okay? Or people na gusto lang talaga mabago yung finances nila. Gusto nilang matupad yung mga pangarap nila. Well, if you're any of these three, Live Good is for you. In fact, Live Good is for everybody. Yun yung kagandahan ng Live Good. Okay? So, who is Live Good? Sino ba si Live Good? To best discuss this, let me explain first about Amazon and Costco. Amazon actually started in 1995 selling books online. And then in 2000, they started selling other products. In 2005, nagsimula sila nung membership club nilang tinatawag na Amazon Prime. Fast forward natin, Amazon now has over 230 million paying members. And dun sa membership fee pa lang, kumita sila ng $40.2 billion in 2023. Ganyang kalaki ang membership club business. Ganyang kalaki ang subscription business. Okay? Si Costco. Sino ba si Costco? Costco actually is a wholesale membership club which started in 1983. Okay? Fast forward natin uli. Ngayon, meron silang 123 million members at kumita sila ng $4.4 billion in membership fee revenue in 2023. Ganyan po kalaki yung mga membership club business. Now, si Live Good, yan yung inadapt na business model, yung membership club tsaka yung subscription. So think about this. What if, nung nagsisimula si Costco tsaka si Amazon, naisipan nila na magbibigay sila ng compensation dun sa mga members nila na makakapag-refer sa kanila. Diba sasali ka knowing na ganito sila kalaki ngayon? Diba? Ngayon, si Live Good nag-i-start pa lang. Live Good is a membership club-based business just like Costco and Amazon. Ang difference lang, si Live Good nagbabayad sa mga members nila. Kasi yan si Costco at si Amazon, members lang nila yung bayad ng bayad sa kanila. Hindi sila nagbabalik sa mga members nila. And si Live Good, completely e-commerce. Online tayo. And you know the future of businesses is e-commerce. Okay? Now, Live Good is a revolutionary business. Live Good is a membership club that pays. Kakaiba talaga to. Okay? Ngayon lang nangyari to sa industriya natin. Kaya talagang ang laki ng binago ni Live Good sa ating industriya. It's actually a wholesale membership club. And at Live Good, you always get the highest quality products at the lowest possible prices. In our online store, you will find over 20 life-changing products. Highest quality products, the purest, most natural ingredients from the most pristine location on the planet, and world-class manufacturing facilities. Lahat po ng products natin made in USA, certified by GMP and USDA. Dalawang certifying body na napakataas po ng standards, pero tayo certified. Lab tested for purity and potency. At sa sobrang confident po natin sa quality ng ating products, we are offering a 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. But I'm telling you, wala pong nagsosole ng products kay Live Good because of quality. Alright? Now, baka naman sabihin nyo, ako lang ang nagsasabi na mababa yung presyo namin. Napakataas ng quality tapos mababa yung presyo. Pwede ba yon? Okay, let me show you. Price comparison tayo. Let's take a look at our multivitamins. Other brands are offering their products at $29, $47, 45 cents. Yung sa atin, $9.95. What about Factor 4? Anti-inflammatory product po yan. Napakaganda po niyan. Other products are $58.42 or $56. Sa atin, $18.50. Collagen. Ito maganda. Yung collagen natin, yung collagen kasi ng ibang brand, collagen lang ang laman. Yung sa atin, dinagdagan pa po ng 3 ingredients that really complements the effect of collagen in our body. Other brands, $79.96, $69.95. Sa atin, $27.95. At marami pa po tayong ibang products at lahat po yung products natin talagang napakababa as compared to other brands. Pero I'm telling you, napakaganda po ng quality. Most of our products are even better than those na other popular brands. Okay? Siguro pinakamagandang comparison na dyan si Super Greens. Super Greens po, all organic, napakagandang products compared to other brands, $99.99, $69.99 sa atin, $18 lang po. Ganun po talaga kababa yung presyo natin, pero ganun kataas yung ating mga yung quality ng ating mga products. And check this out. 6 products combined into 1 pack. We have multivitamins, Super Green, Super Reds, Factor 4, D3K2, Ultra Magnesium Complex. Lahat po yan kailangan ng katawan natin. Magkano yan? If you're a member, you only need to pay $89.95. Nothing more. Kasi po, free shipping po yan. Kahit nanggagaling sa Germany yung products, matatanggap natin dito sa Philippines, wala tayong babayarang shipping. Now, those are some of the products, but if you want to learn more about the products, you just have to visit livegood.com. Dun po sa livegood.com, meron dun shop button, makikita mo yung different products natin. And each product, you'll see a learn more button. Pag kinlik nyo po yun, marami pa kayong mababasa about our products. Now, in a period of 1 year, we have launched 6 different products. In 2023 alone, nagdagdag na po tayo ng 6 na produkto. Kaya umabot na tayo ng 20 life-changing products. And yung pinaka-latest na nadagdag sa ating portfolio, ito po, essential oils. Napakaganda po niyan. Yung other brands po, isang bote lang, $99. Pero yung sa atin, 6 bottles na, $49.95. Napakaganda rin po sa health natin yan. Now, we're starting with health products, but definitely we will be adding more. Magkakaroon tayo ng household products. Soon, magkakaroon na tayo ng vitamins for children and other beauty products. Magkakaroon na rin tayo ng weight loss products very, very soon. Kasi po yan yung direction ni LiveGood in the future. We will be adding more products in our portfolio until we become a super sale store. LiveGood will be a super sale online store. Best quality, lowest possible prices. Okay? Ngayon, health products lang. Pero I'm telling you, in the future, marami nang madadagdag dyan. Mga household products, mga clothings, mga gadgets, at kung ano-ano pa. Para kang papasok sa isang department store na online na andun na lahat ng kailangan mo. Okay? At napakabababa ng presyo pero napakatataas ng mga quality. At ang maganda nito, since online tayo, we are available in over 200 countries worldwide. Okay? So ano ba yung benefit mo as a LiveGood member? Unang-una, may global business ka. For how much? For only $49.95. Wala pa pong 3,000 yan. Ano pa, since hindi na tayo product-centered, hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng maraming product just to start. And wala ka ring monthly mandatory purchases. Kasi hindi natin talaga kailangan. We are not obliged to buy products here in LiveGood. But I'm telling you, sa ganda ng products, sa taas ng quality, ikaw mismo gugustuhin mong gumamit ng mga produkto ng LiveGood. Okay? Tapos yung payout dito, weekly tsaka monthly. Kung ginagawa mo yung negosyo, talagang makakatanggap ka ng payout every week and every month. Lahat ng products natin, ang tataas ng quality. Pero ang bababa ng presyo. In fact, we're 75% cheaper as compared to other brands in the industry. Tapos yung membership club natin, yung monthly, it's only $9.95. Magkano yan in peso? 580 pesos po. 20 pesos a day. It's a 20 pesos a day business. And you can operate in almost all the countries in the entire world. Plus, yung monthly and weekly income, those are passive income and active income as well. Diba? So, how do you do this? How do you become an affiliate? Simple lang po. Sinabi ko na kanina, you only pay $49.95. Tapos yung $40 doon, one time lang. So, yung monthly mo, $9.95 na lang. Kaya nga sabi ko, it's a 20 peso business. Kasi 20 pesos a day, aabot ng 600 yan. May sukli ka pa. Di ba? Now, once you become an affiliate, pwede ka na ngayon kumita sa Live Good. We have 8 ways to earn here in Live Good. Meron tayong weekly fast start commission, meron tayong matrix bonus, matching bonus, diamond bonus pool, crown diamond bonus pool, customer acquisition bonus, retail commission, and influencer bonus. Yung huling tatlo, yung 6, 7, and 8, yan ay dun sa mga gustong magbenta online. Dropshipping na lahat. Magpe-place lang ng order yung customer mo. Si LiveGood na bahala lahat. Si LiveGood tatanggap ng payment niya. Si LiveGood mag-ship ng mga products niya. Hihintayin na lang niya sa pintuan niya kasi i-deliver sa kanya. Ikaw, hihintayin mo na lang yung commission mo. That is if kung gusto mong magbenta ng products. But we are not obliged to sell products here. So, for this video, I will discuss the first 5 ways to earn. Okay ba yan? So tara, let's do it. Unang-una, yung weekly fast start commission or what we call quick money. Quick money to kasi weekly natin matatanggap to tsaka napakadaling kitain. Diba sinabi ko, ikaw, magiging affiliate member ka, nagbayad ka ng $49.95. When you become an affiliate member, pwede ka na ngayon kumita. Ano gagawin mo? Magkikwento ka lang about Live Good sa mga kaibigan mo, kamag-anak mo, ka-office mate mo, ka-churchmate mo, sa lahat ng mga kakilala mo, ikwento mo lang yung blessing na natatanggap mo sa Live Good. And what will happen? Sila mismo sasali sa'yo by paying $49.95 as well. Diba? Lahat yung mga sasali sa'yo directly, they will fall on your level 1. At ang maganda nito, since sumali sa'yo, bibigyan ka ni Live Good ng $25. Nagbayad sila ng $49.95, binigay sa iyo yung $25 as compensation kasi ikaw yung nagdala sa kanila. Ngayon, ilan yung pwede mong isali dito? As many as you want. Unlimited tayo dito. So that only means unlimited din yung earnings natin dito. At ang maganda nito, kasi yung mga yan, those are direct efforts from us. Live Good will compensate you even dun sa mga effort nung mga naisama mo rito. So halimbawa, yung nasama mo rito, tinuruan mo kung paano gawin yung negosyo at sila mismo nag-refer din ng mga tao. Lahat ng marirefer nila, they would fall on your level 2. And just think about this. Makasali ka ng 2 tao dito, magiging bronze ka na. Pag bronze ka na, you don't just get to enjoy yung mga directly napapasali mo rito, may income ka pa dun sa mga mapapasali nung mga napasali mo rito. So, level 2 mo yon. Yung mga na-refer nung na-refer mo, level 2 mo yon, may income ka pa dyan. So, the more people you invite in the business and the more people na turuan mo kung paano gawin yung negosyo, you will be promoted to the higher ranks. Pag naging silver ka, may enjoy mo hanggang levels 3 and 4. Pag nag-gold ka na, levels 5 and 6. Pag nag-platinum ka, up to level 7 and 8. Pag nag-diamond ka, ikaw ang makaka-enjoy up to levels 9 and 10. Okay? Ganyan kalaki yan. Imagine, ni-refer mo, may kita ka pa rin. Hindi mo nakilala yon. Hindi na ikaw ang nagtrabaho nun, pero may kita ka pa rin. Ang tawag dyan, leverage. Okay? Yan yung sikreto ng mga mayayaman. Now, pakita ko sa inyo yung strategy natin dito. Baka sabihin mo kasi, kailangan ko pala maraming mai-refer dito. No, simple lang po. Think of the power of 5. Ikaw mismo mag-refer ka ng 5 tao lang. Yung 5 taong yan, di ba, directly mo na-refer. So, bibigyan ka ni Livegood ng $25 each. That's $125. So, lahat ng direct na mare-refer mo dito, they would be on your level 1. Ang maganda nito, pag sila tinuruan mong mag-invite din, 5 rin ang kunin nila katulad mo. They would fall on your level 2. Imagine, makakuha ka lang ng 2, di ba, bronze ka na? Pag bronze ka na, may enjoy mo na yung level 2. Level 2, kumuha sila ng tag-5, that's 25. That's another $125 for you. Now, level 3, ganun din, si 25, kumuha ng tag-5, padagdag lang ng padagdag yung fast start income mo. Darating yung point, pag level 5 ka na, diamond ka na. Okay? Talagang na-enjoy mo na all the way up to level 10. Pakita natin ngayon, magkano yung kinita mo sa fast start bonus nung umabot ka na ng level 6. Pag tinotal mo yan, naabot yan ng $22,437.50. Magkano yan in peso? 1.3 million pesos po yan. Fast start income. Lahat yan, kinita mo, either direct mo or direct nung mga sinama mo rito. Or direct nung sinama mo rito. Hindi mo na tinrabaho pero kumita ka pa. Okay? And in your organization, umaabot na ng 19,505 paying members in your organization. Alright? And then what else? Since hanggang level 10 ka na, diamond ka na, ituloy na rin natin to. Pag umabot ka ng level 10, ang natanggap mong weekly fast start commission ay nagtototal ng $6,155,250. Magkano yan in peso? 357,004,500 pesos. Ganyan po kalaki ang kitaan dito sa Livegood. Kaya sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, kung hindi ka pa nagle-Livegood, ang laki ng nami-miss out mo. Alright? Ngayon, isang kitaan pa lang po yan. Pakita ko ngayon sa inyo yung actual earnings ng isa sa mga affiliates natin dito. Just to show you na talagang totoo yung weekly income na yan. Ayan po, for the month of October, kumita siya weekly. May 800, may 700, may 400. Pero pag tinotal mo for 1 month, umabot siya ng $2,874.12. So nakita nyo, 0.12, butal, kasi nga umaabot na siya ng deeper levels niyan. So that's our fast start bonus. Ano naman yung iba pa? Let's now move on dun sa matrix bonus naman. Si matrix bonus, this is the part where you earn even if you fail to refer anyone in the business. Let's say, tinry mo nga, kaso baguhan ka pa lang, hindi mo pa alam kung paano yung gagawin. Tinry mo, kaso hindi ka nakapag-refer. Dito kasi sa atin, meron tayong tinatawag na forced matrix structure, whereby, sa bawat isang tao, 2 lang yung ikakapit. Alright? And, ang mangyayari niyan, since marami kang nare-refer na tao or yung mga taong nasa taas mo nagre-refer din, then most likely magkakaroon ka ng auto spillover. At dyan mo makukuha yung mga taong magpupuno dun sa matrix mo. So pakita ko lang yung matrix, di ba sabi ko 2 lang yung pwedeng ikabit sa'yo. Ang tanong mo siguro, paano na kung marami akong na-invite? Kanino sila mapupunta? Doon na sa ilalim ng mga nakabit sa'yo. Okay? So, on your level 1, you'll have two people. Yun na yun. That's it. On your level 2, yung 2 nakabit sa'yo, kakabitan ng Tagalawa. So, that's 4. And then 8, 16, 32. So, power of 2 lang yan. Ang maganda nito, si Livegood is generous enough to give you compensation even if you're unranked. Ano naman yung unranked? Yan yung mga hindi pa nakakapag-refer ng tao dun sa program. Okay? Bibigyan ka ng compensation up to level 12. Babayaran ka ni Livegood ng 25 cents for every person na papasok sa matrix mo. Pag napuno yung level 12 na yan, that's 8,190 people. Magkano yon times 25 cents? That's a total of $2,047.50. Diba? Ang maganda nito, Pag nag-rank up ka o pag na-promote ka to higher ranks, naging silver or bronze ka, aabot ka na ng level 13. Yung matrix income mo, halos nagdoble na. Actually, nagdoble na. Umabot na ng $4,095.50. Pag nag-gold or platinum ka, aabot ka na ng level 14. That's a total of $8,191.50. Pag nag-diamond ka, you'll get to enjoy up to level 15. That's $16,383.50. That's 900,000 pesos po. And since kinukuha to dun sa monthly subscription natin, ibig sabihin monthly income mo na rin yan. 900,000 pesos monthly income on your matrix bonus alone. Ganyan po kalaki itong matrix bonus. Pero wag po kayong mamangha dyan kasi yung susunod na i-discuss ko, mas malaki dyan. So just think about it. Kung ginawa mo yung power of 5, yung tinuro ko kanina, nasa 7th cycle pa lang o kung buwan-buwan nangyari yon. On the 7th month pa lang po, kumikita ka na ng 8,191.50. Alright? Now, the next income is called the matching bonus. Ano naman yung matching bonus? Di ba sabi ko, pag nag-start tayo dito, magkakaroon tayo ng matrix. Therefore, magkakaroon tayo ng matrix income. If you're referring people to the program, sila din magkakaroon ng sarili nilang matrix income. Ang maganda sa matching bonus, kung magkano yung matrix income nila, bibigyan ka ni Livegood ng 50% nun. Matatanggap nila ng buo yung matrix income nila, dadagdagan lang ng 50% ni Livegood para sa iyo. Kasi ikaw ang nagdala sa kanila. So let's say for example, may 10 ka nasama dito. Tapos lahat sila, isa-isa nang kumikita sa mga matrix nila. Ayan, different amounts. Now, always 50% mapupunta sa iyo as matching bonus. Okay? So in this example, kumita ka ng $3,580 in your matching bonus alone, on top of the matrix income na marireceive mo rin. Ang maganda nito, up to 5 generations deep din yan. As you promote to the higher rank, you get to be compensated up to 5 generations deep. Okay? Sample. Ikaw halimbawa yan. Balikan natin parati yung power of 5, yung tinuro ko kanina. Ikaw halimbawa yan, nakapag-refer ka ng 5 tao. Yung 5 taong yan, let's say for example, kumikita na lang ng 200 sa matrix nila, 50% sa iyo. That's $500. Diba? Kasi 200 times 5 times 50%, that's $500. Now, nag-silver ka kasi yung 5 mo kumuha ng tagpa 5 din. Again, 200 na lang kunyari yung matrix niya, that's an additional $500 for you. And as you get promoted to higher ranks, padagdag ng padagdag yung mga generation income na yan. And look at this. 5 generation dip kasi nag-diamond ka na, magkano yung matching income mo? Umabot ng $27,250 or 1.5 million pesos. At monthly income na po yan kasi lahat naman yung mga taong yan nagbabayad ng kanilang monthly subscription. Diba? Now, just to show you that this is really happening, ito po, another actual income of one of the affiliates here. Noong July of 2023, kumita po siya sa matrix niya ng $1,299. And yung matching bonus niya, kasi marami na siyang na-refer na tao at yung mga na-refer niya rito, ginagawa din yung business, umabot ng $44,810. That's 44,000 more than his matrix bonus. Diba? Ganyan po kalaki ang matching bonus na yan. Kaya yan talaga yung makakapagpatupad ng pangarap mo. Okay? Yung next income naman natin, this is exclusive for diamond rank. Kaya kayo na magsisimula dito, make sure na hindi kayo titigil hanggat hindi kayo umaabot ng diamond. Bakit? Because as diamond, you get to have a share in the business. Ang tawag ko nga dito, piece of the pie money. Bakit? Kasi ang gagawin lang ni Livegood, ito total niya lahat ng sales niya for the month. Kukurot ng 2%. Tapos yung 2% na yan, paghahati-hatian ng lahat ng diamond rank for that pay period. So let's say for example, $15 million yung kinita ng company for 1 month. Possible ba yon? Yes. Kasi ngayon, meron na tayong 1,100,000 members. Nagbabayad na lang ng $10 each. That's 11 million already. Eh, meron pang mga affiliate fees yan na $40 each. On the average, we're having 100,000 new members monthly. So that's another 4 million. 15 million na yun, wala pa yung product sales. Diba? So let's say 15 million, 2% niyan is $300,000. Kunyari, 60 na lang yung diamond na naghahati-hati for that. Meron silang tagpa $5,000 for that specific month. Okay? Tapos hindi pa natatapos yan dyan. Tapos hindi pa matatapos yan dyan kasi meron pang isang possession which is the Crown Diamond. And the Crown Diamond gets to enjoy the Diamond Bonus Pool kasama na sila dun sa hatian na yon. Meron pa silang additional na 0.5%. Okay, sa ngayon, meron tayong dalawang Crown Diamond, one from the US, Tim Miller, and the other one is here in the Philippines, si Coach Fernan Santiago. Alright? Dalawa lang silang naghahati-hati dito. So, balikan natin yung example. 15 million for the month. 0.5% is $75,000 divided by 2 Crown Diamonds. That's $37,500 each. Yan po yung natanggap nila for 1 month. Okay? Baka sobra naman yan, Mon. So, sige, pakita ko na lang yung isang affiliate din natin na Diamond na. Pakita ko yung 3 buwang kinita niya dito sa LiveGood. The month of May, April, March, April, and May. Okay, pag tinotal mo yung kinita niya dun sa 3 buwan na yan, umaabot po ng $36,500. Meaning, on the average, kumikita siya ng $12,000 monthly. Why? Kasi inabot niya na yung diamond rank. Alright? So, ganyan po talaga kaganda. Kaya, ang encouragement namin dito is talagang to do everything you can until you reach the diamond level. Okay? So, the question is, where will your $49.95 take you? Nakita nyo naman, for a business of only 3,000 pesos or $49.95 and 20 pesos daily. Kasi 995 lang yung monthly subscription natin. 580 pesos lang po. Diyan po dadalin. Ganyang kaganda ang patutunguhan mo when you start doing the Live Good business. So join our team now. And I'm telling you, a lot of people are joining already. We have over 1,100,000 paid members as we speak. At ang projection natin for this year, aabot tayo ng 3 to 5 million. Pero huwag kayong mamangha dyan kasi nagsisimula pa lang tayo. Kung yung ibang mga companies, mga subscription companies, umabot ng 200 million members, definitely si LiveGood din. Or baka lagpasan pa natin. Bakit? Because LiveGood is the only membership club that pays. Kaya nga sinabi ko nung simula, LiveGood is the vehicle that can change your life for the better. So it's really time for you to do LiveGood. So get back to the person who told you about LiveGood and reserve your possession. By the way, it's free. Yung reservation ng possession, it's free. Hindi ka pa makaka-start doing the business, but you already reserving a possession. Okay, when you do that, congratulations, you can now start your journey to financial freedom and time freedom. Be a LiveGood affiliate today. So that's it. Thank you very much. This is Mon Reyes, and it has been my pleasure delivering to you this. Now, if you want to ask more about LiveGood, meron po tayong daily presentation that you can attend to. And I have other videos that you can search for in my YouTube channel. Hanapin nyo lang po yung Coach Mon Reyes. Doon po, mas marami kayong mapapanood about LiveGood at mas maliliwanagan kayo about the decision you're about to make. So I'm going to leave you with that now. Thank you very much once again. It has been my pleasure. Again, this is Coach Mon Reyes. See you at the top. Okay? Bye-bye.